Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll show you the initial setup in the Realme GT device and what are the pre-installed applications and what is the internal storage and RAM availability out of the box in the Realme GT device. As you can see friends, this is my first time and day one of using this Realme GT, and this is my first time setting up the phone as well. Let's see how is the setting up experience in the Realme GT going to be having and how many pre-installed applications and bloatware we'll be getting along with this device. And in case if you have any other questions on this Realme GT, don't forget to comment under my videos. So those will be really helpful friends and in terms of making me videos more and more on this Realme GT. So here's a quick setup. Let me need to click next and skip. I'll try to do without Wi-Fi connection at this moment. So accept and later no, next, welcome. Yeah, that's it. So it's very simple and pretty straightforward, nothing much happening here. And first thing is to check what are the pre-installed bloatware present in this device, what are the applications. So we do have the Amazon Music, Amazon application, booking application, as you can see 3, and Daily Hunt as well. That's another 4 applications which we are having at this moment. Flipkart, we are actually seeing Flipkart as well, as you can see. Google Pay and Netflix, Josh and Amazon Prime Videos, Snapchat and Soloop. As you can see, there are plenty of other pre-installed applications which came along with the Realme GT device. So let me try to exactly show you what is the inbuilt storage, what is available out of the box at this moment. Out of 128 GB, as you can see, out of 128 GB, 18.7 GB is used, as you can see friends, exactly. And system has been consumed up to 12.9 GB system data. And let me try to open the applications, and these are all the applications which are utilizing the data as well, as you can see, exactly. Snapchat and few of the applications which are taking a lot of space. If you want, you can definitely uninstall them as well. That should not be any kind of big issue at this moment. So let me try to count how many applications are there right now. So 5 applications in one row. How many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 is 60, 60 plus 1. 61 applications are there right now in this Realme GT out of the box. That's about the applications and pre-install apps and storage availability. Let's check what is the RAM availability in this device. As you can see friends, out of the box, this is the RAM availability in this phone. 4.26 GB available out of 8 plus 3 GB. So we will be having the virtual RAM as well, which is extended RAM capabilities, as you can see, which you can actually extend up to 5 GB as well. That's also another thing in the Realme GT edition. So thank you for watching this video friends. It's a quick setup process and this is a quick pre-install applications review on the Realme GT. And in case if you have any other queries on this Snapdragon 888 processor, let me know in the comment section below what are your thoughts on this Realme GT device. So what videos you want me to do on this Realme GT. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video friends, and stay tuned. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.